In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a domain using Cloudflare. If you're new to setting up your online presence or just looking to understand this process a bit better, this guide is designed to be straightforward and easy to follow. So let's dive right into it and help you get that domain name locked down. First things first, we'll need to head over to Cloudflare. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Cloudflare website. Now, Cloudflare is renowned for its efficient management tools for domains, providing excellent DNS services and improving website performance. It's a trusted platform by many websites worldwide, so you're in good hands. Once you're on the Cloudflare homepage, find the section labeled Domain Registration. Now, this part of the website is where all the magic happens. You'll want to click on the Register Domains link. This is a significant step. Cloudflare offers competitive pricing without any hidden fees, which is fantastic when you're trying to keep costs in line. After clicking on Register Domains, you'll see a prompt to input your desired domain name. This is where you can get creative and establish the perfect URL for your website. Make sure you have a few options in mind just in case your first choice is already taken. Enter your domain name and Cloudflare will check for its availability. If it's available, great. You can proceed with the registration. If not, don't worry, just try one of your backup choices. At this stage, it's also a good idea to check the domain extensions available to you, like .com, .net, or .org, depending on your preference and the nature of your website. Each extension may carry slightly different pricing, so consider that factor while making a decision. After you've found an available domain name that you're happy with, simply follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your registration. Cloudflare will guide you through the setup process and ask for some basic information. Once you've entered the necessary details, you'll be prompted to proceed with payment. Ensure that all your information is accurate to avoid any future mix-ups. This whole process is simple, isn't it? You've just learned how to register a domain with Cloudflare in less than 10 minutes. Whether you're launching a personal blog, starting an online business, or setting up a portfolio, a domain is your online address, and having one is crucial for establishing your presence on the internet. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully registered your domain. Remember, registering a domain is just the first step in going live online. Now that you've acquired your domain, you might want to explore setting up web hosting and building your website. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful videos. Happy domain hunting!